our newly launched hair removal machine with 3 different wavelengths: 755 nanometer, 808 nanometer, and 1064 nanometer. This is the key switch, this is the emergency switch, and here handle connector. You see this is the red spot 755 nanometer. Let's turn on the machine. The welcome page we enter, and the different wavelengths here, you select the wavelengths 755, 808, and 1064. We choose the 755 nanometer. And there are different modes: HR, FHR, and SR. First we choose HR. There are skin type here from 1st to the 6th, and different gender, gentleman and lady, the different treatment part. We choose underarm, skin type first, and gender lady. Okay. You see the skin type, body area, and gender we choose just now, and the bottom part there are water temperature, flow rate, conductivity, and total shoots. The flows and the frequency we can choose here. We set plus, minus. Also we choose frequency, plus and minus, then OK. This is the subtotal for the total jaws, and the skin cooling we should add here. And then ready for treatment. You see lasers? Stand by and back to the last page. We choose FHR. There are 5 grades here. You can choose, and we choose 10. Also the skin cooling. Ready for treatment. Stand by, back to the last page. We choose SR. The skin rejuvenation 3 modes here: soft, comfortable, and effective. We choose comfortable, and skin cooling also. Ready for treatment. Stand by, back to last page.